Tēnā koutou tamariki mā. Morena. Nau mai hoki mai ki tēnei o tō tātou wānanga Kapa Haka for Kids. Welcome back to Kapa Haka for Kids. How was your weekend? Kia ora. Ka pai, ka pai. And how was Father's Day yesterday? Was all good? I hope for choice. Oh, that's cool. Ka pai. All right. Well, hey, should we get stuck into it, eh? Start of another week. Yeah. Let's start our week on the right foot with our kara kia. Hands ready and repeat after me. Kia hora. Te marino. Kia whakapapa. Pounamu. Te moana. Kia tere. Te kārohirohi. I mua. I tō huarahi. Tihei. Mauri ora. Kia ora. Ka pai tātou. Let's jump into our karakia one more time. This time we'll do it together. Here we go. Kia hora te marino. Toru wha. Kia hora te marino. Kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. Kia tere te kārohirohi. I mua i tō huarahi. Tihei mauri ora. Kia ora tātou. Feeling good on a Monday morning, eh? Woo! Alright, we might as well get into our warm-up. We're just going to do a hakama once today. Oh, that sounds terrible. Put that away. Here we go. Ahaka mana para tawanga wha. E heke mene pere te wenge whe. I hiki mini piri ti wingi fi. O hoko mono poro tōngo fo. A e I o u. Uhukumuna puru tuunga fu. Kia ora. Jumping straight into the next little warm-up. I'll sing it, you sing it, but we do the actions together. Here we go, whānau. Pake ke mai, toru wha. Pake ke mai, o mati mati. Wai wai whiua ki te taha. Takahuri, ko wiri wiri. Kani tati nana. Hey ha, hey ha, hey ha, paki paki. Oh, mauri ora kia koutou. Hey, let's go. Mahunga paki hiwi toru wha. Mahunga paki hiwi puku hope wai wai. Mahunga paki hiwi puku hope wai wai. Mahunga paki hiwi puku hope wai wai. Taringa whatu I hua hae. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Titira mai ngā iwi. Ki raro. Hope. Ka pai. You know what? Before we get into titira mai, let's do this little bit of an activity where we go through some of our basic kapa haka commands and what they mean and when we would use them. Yeah? Let's do that for today. Here we go. So the first kapa haka command that you'll usually get is kiraro. Kiraro is quite simple, hands down. Yeah? Kiraro. And kiraro is like a transition. We're getting ready to do something else. So we're not quite ready to start. Okay? But I need everyone's attention. Kiraro. And sometimes when you're in kiraro, don't know if you can see it from where you are, but the hand can be in the gentle wiri wiri. Yeah? That creates a little bit of anticipation, a little bit of a, ooh, what's happening now? Yeah? Kiraro. Hope. And when you hear hope, this is command number 2. Hope is hips He's sort of the last way into, so the hands, they just come up onto the hips. And generally there's two types of hope. Sometimes there's a male hope, which is hands, fingers are extended, and the hands sit on the hips, just like that. And then the female hope is a fist, and the fists sit on the hips. Or you cannot have the differences between the two, and you can just put your hands on your hips however you like. However, there is one thing to know about putting those hands on the hips, is to keep your wrist nice and strong. What we don't like to see in kapa haka is that when the wrist goes on to the hip, we don't want to see that wrist bending, kapai, in any other direction. So just try and keep those hands in alignment. Try and keep them nice and strong. Try not to go like this. Or like this. This is the word. I really don't like that one. So keep it nice and strong. Hope. The next one after kiraro is kimuri. And kimuri is hands behind your back. And kimuri, this is for times where we have songs that don't have any actions. And sometimes we encourage our young people to put their hands behind their backs, because it just stops them from fidgeting on stage. So it looks a lot cleaner in our choral items if the tamariki have their hands behind the back. Kapai just stops all the fidgeting, playing with the piu-piu, playing with the poi. So that's kimuri. The next one is called tuohu, and tuohu is to bow your head. A couple of things to note when you tuohu in kapa haka: don't take your chin all the way down to your chest. You don't want to be that far down, kapai. So at the moment you can see the top of my head, but what it's actually about is just taking the spotlight off your face. So if I just tilt 45 forward, and then you can actually still see my face, but because I'm looking down, you know that it's not my turn to be the star of the show. Generally, when we do ohu, it's because one, two, or just a small group of people are doing something on their own. Maybe someone's giving a speech or a karanga, or maybe someone's doing a solo, or a duo, or a duet, or a trio. And so in those moments, to put the spotlight on those performers, we can take the attention away from ourselves. So that's tuohu. Kapai? So here we go. Let's try those ones out. Kiraro, hope. Kiraro, kimuri, tuohu. And now to bring your head back up from tuohu, you can use any other command. Kiraro, hope. But what I like to use is taringa whakarongo. So when you hear taringa whakarongo, which is a call to attention, the whole group will take a deep breath in and out and simultaneously raise their heads from the 45 degrees down back up to the 93 degree angle. So here we go. Kiraro, hoppe, kiraro, kimuri, tuohu, taringa whakarongo, kapai. Now you would have heard me a moment ago, I said to a 93 degree angle. And the reason why 93 and not 90 is because generally, young people, when you are on stage, when you are performing, if you're on the stage here, this is the stage, the lights are usually coming down at you on an angle. So the lights, the performance lights, they shine down on a diagonal on the stage. And if you look straight ahead, what you actually get is this shadow that gets cast from just above your eyes, that area there, it casts a shadow over your eyes. And what that means is for a lot of performers that are on stage, we miss a lot of your actual performance expression because you get the shadow on your stage, on your face from the lights coming at you in a diagonal. So by raising your chin 3 degrees, now your face is almost at a right angle to the lights, and that way you avoid getting shadow on your face while you're performing. Just a little trade secret there, little trade secret. Kiraro, hoppe, kiraro, kimuri, tuohu, taringa whakarongo, kiraro, hoppe, titira mai ngā taru wha. Tutira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Tu tira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e, whai o te maramatanga, me te aroha e ngā iwi, kia tapatahi, kia kotahira, tātou tātou e hope, tātou tātou puritia kia mau, he au e hi. Joyce, ka pai, tu tira mai ngā. It took us a while to get into it because I was explaining all of the commands, but when we finally did get around to it, oh man, it was Joyce. Well done, whānau, well done. Hope. Tihei toru wha, tihei mauri ora, tihei mauri ora, ngā iwi o te motu e. Tuake, tuake karangatia, tuake manakitia, ngā iwi kia ora, tahiru atoru wha, he au e hi. That's Tihei Mauri Ora. It's one of the classics. It's one of the favourites. And there you go, team. A little bit of Tihei Mauri Ora for your Monday morning. Ooh, yeah. Hoki, hoki, hoppe. Let's do hoki, hoki twice. First time, just refamiliarise yourself with the sounds of these words. Copy some of the actions. Second time through, give it a red hot go. Hoki, hoki, toru wha. Hoki, hoki, tonu mai. Te wairu o te tau. Ki te awhireina. Ki tēnei kiri e. Ki tēnei kiri e. Kapineia. Kapineia koe e au, ki te pine o te aroha, ki te pine e kore nei, e wai kura e hoki hoki, hoki hoki tonu mai, te wairua o te tau, ki te awhireina, ki tēnei kiri e, ki tēnei kiri e, kapineia, kapineia koe au, ki te pine o te aroha, ki te pine e kore nei, e wai kure. E wai kura tahiru atoru wha, he au e hi. That's hoki hoki tonu mai. It's one of my favourites, and I think the reason why I love this song so much, beautiful kupu, but it's the tune. It's that old school kapahaka style tune that I really, really love. I really connect with it. So yeah, kia ora tātou. Hoki hoki. Ki raro. Hope! Tēnā koutou e ngā kaimahi marika, e mahi tonu ana e toru wha. Tēnā koutou e ngā kaimahi marika, e mahi tonu ana e. Turn. Ia patu e no. Ho maru ana, kia mahi tonu koutou I ngā ratonga mo tātou. Tēnā koutou e ngā kaimahi marika, e mahi tonu ana e. Roll it. E mahi tonu ana tahiru atoru wha. Hey! Che! Kai mahi marika, essential workers, this way o tahia, a big mihi to all of our essential workers. Look, my mum is an essential worker. She goes into people's houses who can't look after themselves entirely. She helps with their their cleaning, some of their personal hygiene, and she helps with some of their meals, and she does a whole range of activities and stuff. And so to my mum and all the essential workers out there, tēnā koutou e mahi tonu ana. Thank you so much for all the beautiful work that you are all doing. Wonderful mahi, wonderful mahi. Incidentally, my mum went to St. Joe's Hato Hohepa over in Green Meadows, over in Napier. And she was giving me a little bit of whakapapa to this song here, Te Wero. My mum was actually part of the student group that composed Te Wero. And the whakapapa of the song goes, just briefly talking to my mum out on the street. The whakapapa of the song is that this waiata was written at the establishment, or for the establishment of a fund, of a financial fund that was put together for buildings, for new buildings for both Hato Hohepa and Hato Paura. Yeah, so my mum went to St. Joe's, she went to Hato Hohepa, and my brother and I, and my uncle Ipi, and a whole range of our cousins and uncles were a Hato Paura family. So yeah, a little bit of a whakapapa, tuturu connection between our whānau and this waiata that I've only been teaching like for, I guess going near on 10 years. And never actually knew that my mum was part of the team that put this waiata together. So yeah, you learn something every day. Ki raro. Hope! Te reo karanga toru wha. Te reo karanga o te rā. Te wero. Te wero, te wero, tā kina. Ko taura ura, ko takura ura. Ka ora e te iwi e hikitia. Hikitia, mana kitia. Awhinatia te wero. Hikitia, mana kitia. Awhinatia te wero. E rapu ana i te ao. Te māturanga o te Pākehā, me ngā tikanga Māori. O tupuna e hikitia, hikitia, mana kitia. Awhinatia te wero. Hikitia, mana kitia. Awhinatia te wero. Kia ora tātou. Te wero. Beautiful waiata. And nice to know a little bit of whakapapa around the waiata as well. Yeah, choice. Right, it is a Monday, which means we are new waiata. And our new waiata today isn't actually new. This is a waiata that we did do during the last lockdown, and we are doing it again this time as well. Kia ora Toby and Zara. Just checking my camera for some of those kupu. Yeah. It's an old TV, and this is as good as it gets. So if you do go onto my Facebook page though, you can find a link to these kupu. So this waiata is toia mai te waka nei. And my understanding of this waiata is it was put together as encouragement or an acknowledgement around te tiriti o Waitangi, as you can see in some of the translation. But also that the second verse was actually composed by a master kava at the request of Te Puia He Rangi. She asked this kava to start to build some replica waka for as a representation of some of the waka that people or the tiriti had arrived from, and yeah, so that's where I understand that second verse come from. So I'll double check my facts, but yeah, here we go. I'll say it, you say it, I'll say it, you say it, and then I'll sing it, you sing it, I'll sing it, you sing it, and then we just jam it together, yeah? And for today, if we can just get through the first half today, perfect. Ka pai? Well, let's get it on. After me, whānau, toia mai. Toia mai. Te waka nei. Te waka nei. Toia mai. Toia mai. Te waka nei. Te waka nei. Ku mea mai. Ku mea mai. Te waka nei. Te waka nei. And you hear me, I'm going, ku mea nei. Yeah, that's because there's a porte, little macron over the U, so that's where we accentuate. Ku mea mai. Ku mea mai. Te waka nei. Joys. This is the first of the longest lines. Ki te takotoranga. Ki te takotoranga. Sure, better than I thought. Hey. Try that one again though. Ki te takotoranga. Takotoranga. Yeah, roll that R. I takoto ai. I takoto ai. Choice. Tiriti. Tiriti. Te mana motuhake. Te mana motuhake. Choice. Tiriti. Tiriti. Te mana motuhake. Choice. So the reason why we just talk before we start singing is I'm listening for your pronunciation. And when I'm confident that your pronunciation is good, then we can move on to the singing. So well done on that part. Let's get into some singing. I'll sing it. You sing it after me. Toia mai te waka nei. Go. Toia mai te waka nei. Choice. Just me. Ku mea mai te waka nei. Go. Ku mea mai te waka nei. Awesome. Now the big line. Have a listen. Ki te takotoranga takoto ai. You want it again? Okay, listen to it again. Ki te takotoranga I takoto ai. Try it. Ki te takotoranga I takoto ai. Yeah, nice. You gave it a good go. Last line in there. Tiriti te mana motuhake. Yeah, it sounds like it's building up to the second part, and it is. But for now, listen to it again. Tiriti te mana motuhake. So in that motuhake, cutting up each individual syllable sound. Choice. Here we go. I'll sing it, you sing it after me. Toia mai te waka nei. Go. Toia mai te waka nei. Me. Ku mea mai te waka nei. Go. Ku mea mai te waka nei. Ki te takotoranga I takoto ai. Ki te takotoranga I takoto ai. Last line. Tiriti te mana motuhake. Tiriti te mana motuhake. Singing it all together, you ready? All together. Toru, fa. Toia mai te waka nei. Kumea. Kumea mai te waka nei. Ki te takotoranga I takoto ai. Tiriti te mana motuhake. wow. Just wow. So wow, in fact. Let's do some actions. Yeah? All right. A little connection between me and this waiata. This waiata was first taught to me by Mrs. Warner at Terracine School in Palmerston North, along with all of my mates that were there. Stevie, Oliver Hill, Ripeka, Hamiora Nui, Hamiora Eti, Moya. Man, we were an awesome crew. And this is one of our first waiata. And so it goes like this. You ready? Join me. Hope. We're going to toia te waka from this side. Choice. And then I want you to follow it over. Follow it over. Yep. And then from the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we double clap. And then the other side. Ka pai. Awesome. And then bring that hand out. And then you're gonna wave your hand over the top. And as you do that, you're gonna rotate from the right around to the left. Ka pai. So yeah, so ti te mana, and then motu hake, you're gonna go motu hake. Ka pai, or another variation on the action is motu hake. Ka pai, you can either dip down or you can change over. You ready? Alright, let's do it, whānau. Let's do it. You and me, eh? Toia mai together. Toru wha. Toia mai te waka nei. Go over. Kumea mai te waka nei. Double clap, right. Ki te tako tarangai tako toi. Tiriti, tiriti, te mana motu hake. Ka pai. It's a cool song, eh? Man, you wait till you learn the second part. We'll pick that up tomorrow. For now, though, one more toia mai to wrap up this part of our session. Our waiata ho. Toia mai hope. Ki raro. Hope. Toi toru wha. Toia mai te waka nei. Kumea mai te waka nei. Ki te tako tarangai tako toi. Tiriti te mana motu hake. Choice. Man, ka mau te wehi, tamariki mā. Kei runga no atu koutou, I ruto I tō koutou akonga I tēnei waiata, me ngā waiata katoa o tēnei wānanga o Kapahaka for Kids. Man, just session after session, you keep doing so well to try some of these waiata, so thank you so much. I think what we might do today is we'll finish on haka. Last week, I think we voted out, we voted to finish on Mate Korona. So today we'll finish on He Tō Kia Maia. So we'll bring that one up. Here we go. Ko riri tātou mo te haka? Are you ready for haka? Ooh yeah! Don't forget your 3 haka rules. Strong face, strong voice, strong actions. Here we go. Tarana titaha, titaha. I want to hear you. Titaha, hetoa, heto, heto, kamaya, kamaya, heto, heto, kamaya, kamaya, hekakano, uia mai, hirangi a teo, papaki titaha, titaha. te kaha, kia tu, rangatira, po, haue hui. Man, what a fantastic haka. Kia ora tātou. Man, that was choice. He tō kia maia. I am a warrior. I will be brave. And I will cloak myself with the skills and the strength to be a leader for tomorrow. Yeah? This is a haka for you, our young people. Kia kaha tonu koutou. Stay strong. Yeah? Rapua ngā āhuatango, te ao Pākehā, te ao Māori. Ngā mātauranga, ngā momotikanga. Kia ora tātou. Just want to say, hope you had a good weekend again. And whatever the week brings for us, we'll get through it together, eh? Cheer. From my whānau to your whānau, our whānau, noho ora mai koutou. Kia haumaru te noho, ka kite anō. Haere rā. Cheer.